Hey everyone. So, surprise for tonight's homework, which is for Thursday, right? March 9th. Okay, so I think I told some of the classes earlier, but I got new sneakers. Yeah. All right. So now I just got this from the main office, so I'm gonna open it, see if they're one, if they're the shoes that they're supposed to be that I bought, and two is more importantly, even if they're the right size. Okay. So I got this from a company in Michigan. All right, I've been looking for these for a while because I missed out when they first came out, and I still got them for retail. So, all right, let's check out what these are. All right, so here we got the brand New Balances. Okay, let me see if I can make the camera larger. All right, let's see. Yep, I'm still using my bingo board. I can just make the full screen. Yeah, easy. All right, so let's see what we're looking at here. All right, and I'm going to give you the math problem at the end. I don't want you to think that, I'm not going to give you work here. All right, so here we got the label. All right, so it's a size 8. All right, New Balance 990 V2. All right, now the box is the right size, so hold on 1 second. All right, comes with, oh, nice. Comes with a postcard. All right, and all the old New Balance styles. Okay, so that's kind of cool. Let's see, came with a sticker. Aha! All right, let's see. Yep, size 8. This one, size 8. Yep, size 8. All right, so these are the shoes. All right, voila. All right, so these are the New Balance 990 V2 in the Castle Rock colorway. All right, so I've been wanting these for a while. I grabbed a pair a couple of weeks ago with the other color, the gray, blue, olive. Okay, when I was out shopping in Tribeca. So I tried those on. I love those, and I wanted the other color. All right, and you know how much blue I wear already. So, all right, okay. So the construction, all right, it's kind of an old model, but the suede's good. The quality is good. All right, not a lot of glue stains or like loose threads hanging out. And before I sign off, actually, I'll give you a math problem first. But this is the most important test for any new sneaker. Yep, smells like new sneakers. Okay, all right. All right, so here's the math question, okay, for all of you. So let me get out of this full screen. All right, so the math question for you guys is this. All right, so if the shoes cost, how much do the shoes cost actually? Oh, I had a discount actually, so I want to share that with you. If the shoes were 185, okay, I know, it's a lot. All right, and the discount, so I used a code actually. What was it? How much was it off? I think it was 15% off, right? How much are the shoes gonna cost me? So how much did I pay for the shoes, right? If it's 15% off. Okay, so if you want, you can pause and do the math right now because I'm about to go over it. Okay, so all right, so we got 185. All right. So we got 185. Now times 15%, right? So that's time 0.15, right? So you can instead of a percent proportion, that's 27.75. Is that too much? Was it 10% off? No, it was 15% off, right? I don't remember actually. All right, so right, you subtract them, so that's 185 minus 27.75. 150. No, so it was 10% off actually. I paid 166, but that's okay. All right, so if I have a 15% off coupon code, right, it'll be 157.25. Now, if the discount, let's double check. I think they gave me a 10% off. Now, 10% off of 185 is 18.5, right? So remember the rule we did in class, right? Whoever it was in your class, right? The powers of 10. Let's see, 185 minus 18.5. Yeah, 160. So it was 10% off. So I got this for actually under retail, 166.50. I cannot wait to send this to my high school buddy. He's gonna be so jealous. Okay, all right, that's it. That's the math. Thanks for watching. All right, again, 990 feet 2. Mr. Ing approved. All right, signing off. Be good. All right, later. Ciao.
OMG, that was so good.